Very good day to Sir Rasman. My name is Tashin, representing the group The Abandoned People. Before we dive right into the topic of presentation, I want to ask Sir a question. Now, when is the last time you had a cheesecake, especially made by your grandmother? Now, Sir may be wondering why am I asking this rhetoric question. This is because our business venture is cheesecakes. So, a little brief history about cheesecakes. 4,000 years ago, in the 5th century BC, the ancient Greeks on the island of Samos invented the first known cheesecake. This simple cheesecake was created using fresh cheese patties that were pounded smooth with flour and honey. The finished product was cooked on an earthenware griddle before being devoured by the throng. Back then, cheesecake was thought to be a good source of energy, and there is evidence that it was offered to competitors during the inaugural Olympic Games in 1776 BC. Cheesecake was also a favorite wedding dessert. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Tashin, for beginning of the presentation and our cheesecake. Okay, Granny Bakery. The name was chosen based on the nickname of Grandma, and also of the vibe can also the village recipe, village among Pasiao. In today's era, most of people really like and look for the old dishes, and therefore we inspire them. So that everyone who want there will be certified white cake, because a lot of food festivities are cake, and cake are the sign of society celebration. Not was in the day. Actually, cake can also by the celebration other. It's a Raya Haji, or celebrate birthday, or Taipusa and the other. Egg of cake cost used by the ingredient of the grandma recipe, and also we change to modern so that it can attract people to buy and not to buy. Also among the change this finish, it be more attractive for them term color. And yes, for the cake order, we also open and accept for any race, ethnic and religion, but our actions are halal. For the flavor and seasoning of the cake, we also use all ingredients guarded by the Malaysia University Health. Go to sale upcoming 5 years. For our cake, we sell each RM 30 ringgit. Because why? Because we also target for P40 family, and not all of people have a lot of some money. We want all people can have what he want and what they want, or what we want to eat, or something we inspire in my mind. Okay, for the first year 2021, we also target for 2,000, because for the first year we are also a new open our cake, so not all people know about us. For the second year 2023, we also target 3,500. We also upcoming to 1,500. And then for the third year is a 2023, we also target for 5,000. Then for 2024, we also target 7,500. And for the last year, 5th year is 2035, we also target is 9,000. So for the gap marketing target, we also put the 1,500. We do not put a lot of the gap. It's all for me, so I want to pass to other members to tell about the ingredient, the cost profit and selling, what we have in the cake, what we use. So thank you.
Thanks, Jimpet. Hi, I'm Dan Singer. My metro number is UDE1007 VIDEO. I would like to discuss how about the ingredient quantity and total cost material on making a cheesecake. First material is 2 kg flavor. Second material is 1 kg corn flavor. Besides, we also use 1 kg cream cheese and 1 kg butter. Apart from that, we have to use 5 eggs, 2 lemon, and 1 kg sugar to make a unique cake. Lastly, total cost material of 1 unique cake is 41 ringgit 70 cents. Now, I have to pass to my groupmate Mija. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello to Sir Razman. My name is Miza Irina. My matrix number is UDE1007 Today I would like to explain what are we using in indirect material in order to produce the cheesecake. First, we use 2 pieces mixer. Second, we use 100 pieces cake box. Next, 100 plastic cake knife and 1 pieces oven, 1 pack piping bag, 5 pieces icing piping, 7 pieces bowl, 4 pack board cake, 1 pieces refrigerator, 6 pack birthday candle, 2 pieces wire cake slicer, 2 pieces extension wire, 2 pieces cake scraper. Thank you. I will pass to Gavin.
Thank you Miza and Irina for explaining about the equipment that involved in producing our company product. Next, I will continue with the 5th and 6th question, which are the expenses that will be needed to create our product, which are cake, and classify all the expenses being either fixed or variable expenses. Before I start, I would like to introduce myself. Hi, Sir Razman. My name is Kevin Chong and my matrix number is UDE210168. Without any waste of time, let us continue with today's topic. Our company costs RM900 in paying the renter, 500 for utilities, 2,400 for the salaries, 200 for the advertisement, 1,200 for the machine maintenance, and 200 for the insurance. The total cost of the expenses for 1 month is RM5,400 and for 1 year is RM64,800. Next, for question 6, classify the expenses as being either fixed or variable. For the fixed components can be explained as an amount that would keep the same for the whole time. The expenses that can be classified as fixed component are, first of all, rental expense, salary expense, advertisement expense, and insurance expense. While for the variable components can be defined as an amount that will change every month. The expenses that can be classified as variable components are utilities expense and maintenance expense. That's all from me. Next, I will pass it to Suresh to continue with question 7.
Granny Bakery sets a target that we want to achieve 1,000 in the next 5 years, and our gross profit increases by an average of 50% and our net profit increases by an average of 45%. So as for gross profit, by the year of 2021, our gross profit will be 23,470. As for the next year, 2022, will be 30,511. As for 2023, will be 27,552. As for the 4th year, will be 44,523, and for the 5th year, 31,634. As for the net profit, for the first year will be 5,110, for the second year will be 7,166 and 5 cents, and for the third year will be 9,222 and 10 cents. As for the 4th year will be 11,268 and 50 cents, and as for the 5th year will be 13,334 ringgit and 20 cents. On to the next question.
The conclusion, the demand of the product from local market is higher, especially if the market is located in the resident area. The cake produced are according to the current taste and cake craze nowadays. Therefore, the variety of flavor of this cake will be in high demand in the market at a reasonable price. This business will focus on online marketing and selling directly through the hipster cafe with its own identity. To ensure that the product price is affordable, control measures in the cake production and process are controlled systematically, such as obtaining raw material from the same supplier. These raw material are supplied by several different suppliers so that this material can be supplied continuously, orderly, and with quality. Packaging products are made by company itself to save costs that focus on green recyclable material. To ensure that the cost estimates are stable, and internal factors such as the cost of raw materials, labor costs, rental costs, and other have been taken into account. Similarly, external costs are also taken into account, such as transportation costs, promotion costs, and advertising also taken into account. While there are also factors beyond control that can affect the cost estimate, such as disaster and illness, repair and replacement of broken cooking utensils. To ensure that costs can be controlled to a set level, business make a financial budget plan for each business year and allowing some contingency expenses if it is needed. And this budget expenditure is monitored in detail through business accounting so that a balanced income and expenditure can in turn generate profit in the business. Thank you.